Why is there always that one attention-seeking motherfucker gunning the snack like it's theirs, just cause they got power over the friend group? Like, bitch, I do not care about you, your relationship, or your little crew. You are not fucking Gojo, bro.
Next, turn myself to a poster boy. If I saw it, make myself turn to the fuck.
領域展開。
I know you